Okay, so the Aussie, yeah, it took a while to play out, but the analysis on that W was good, and the target was achieved. We got a reaction from the target area. We moved back up into the trend line resistance, and we've subsequently moved. Um, so where to from here? Well, I'm going to clean up the chart entirely and start afresh. Well, what's interesting is, okay, so we're still on the front side of the bearish trend. So that's point number one. Then if you look at the recent price action, we've come up and we've taken out the potential liquidity above here. So that was an area that the market broke in that move and up again. So on two occasions we were into this resistance area, fueling the move for the downside. And we failed to make a higher high, so I'm still liking that we've been fueled by this here, and we've been rejected there, and we're now breaking towards these lows. And these will be very important lows. We want those to give out if we're going to continue lower. They fueled the move up to take out liquidity, and essentially we had a low here, and we broke those lows. These are structural lows, whereas these are now structural lows because of the liquidity that the that that the price moved into on the back of that. So these are very important lows. Um, if we zoom out to a daily chart and see what we're looking at. To me, a break of these lows would open risk all the way into here and further down. So you've got this price imbalance between here and here that I think the market can move into. So I've just moved down onto the hourly chart. So if we're looking to move into this area, then the hourly chart might need to see maybe a correction coming up. Let's have a look. I think this can drift. Let's see what happens. It's either going to correct from here, maybe move up, another retest or shallower, maybe a 38.2 correction of that bearish move before the next move lower. Or we're going to continue lower into support, correct up, and come down. That's the bias for me at the moment. So long as we stay on the front side of that trend line, we're heading lower. And on the daily chart, that will look like a run into that level over there. We'll mark it up. So 67.20 or thereabouts. On a break of 67.40. And it looks like we've got the fuel in this trend to do so.